All right, guys, welcome back to Raptor Man. Just got my new helmet in. During the whole pandemic and everything else, I decided, well, I needed a new helmet anyways. So I went back with the V2. As you guys know, my last helmet was a V1, was the Fox V1, and I'll go ahead and show you a picture of that now if you haven't seen it. This here is the actual V2. This is a step up. They go all the way to like V4 or V5. Some of them can get really crazy expensive, like $800 or $900. So without further ado, let's get into the Fox V2 MVRS unboxing. I'll go ahead and give you guys a little preview of the box. Looks kind of dusty. It's probably been sitting on the shelf for a little while, but most reliable size XL, and gives you a little preview box of what you can expect. Also gives you some rating. I've already gone ahead and cut it. Those are the GBCs right there. Cleaned them all up. I've already went ahead and cut the plastic, so let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. If you guys remember my original helmet unboxing video, it was also a V2. That was the one that was the Welcome to the Circus. All right, got that all sorted. Time for the reveal here. Oh wow, that is a nice looking helmet. Look at this. Very sharp, very sharp. It's gonna match the quad very nicely. It's got some kind of packing instructions here. But wow, that is, give you a little bit of stuff here. Don't need that. What a sharp looking helmet. This is the Fox V2 MVRS. I thought it was the VLAR. If you type in VLAR, you get the same thing. And I really dig this, this orange and yellow stripe down the middle with that orange Fox logo. That's really nice. Glad I finally treated myself to a nice helmet. I was kind of getting sick of that V1, to be honest with you. Some of those V3s are really nice as well. But yeah, this is the Fox MVRS, you guys. Extra large. I'll take some photos of it. Show you guys some photos. One thing I already noticed is, I guess that's different with these newer helmets, is the visor does no longer slide down. My other one used to be able to move this up and down. Doesn't look like that's the case anymore. So, yep. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. That is the Fox MVRS V2 helmet. Got it in the blue and white. And let me know what you guys think. Hit me up. Peace.